Hello to everyone, welcome to my channel Deep Maths. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from polynomials of 10th class. Okay, and the question is find the zero of the polynomial and verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. The given polynomial is phi of x is equals to 4x square plus 5 root 2x minus 3. So we can make this as a 4x square plus 5 root 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Okay. So now actually what we'll do, we'll multiply the constant and the x square coefficient, and based on that we'll split the middle term. Here we are having root 2, which is not a rational number. So what I am doing, dividing both sides by 0. Sorry, root 2. So 4 by root 2x square plus 5 root 2 by root 2x minus 3 by root 2 equals to 0. So this what you can write, 2 into 2 by root 2x square plus root 2 cancel 5x minus 3 by root 2 equals to 0. In this root 2 in 2 how many times it will go? Root 2 times. So what left? 2 root 2x square plus 5x minus 3 by root 2 equal to 0. Right? Now this and this multiply, what you will get? A 2 root 2 into minus 3 by root 2 means root 2 cancel, what left? Minus 6. Right? We have to get the middle term 5. So what you can write? 2 root 2 x square plus 6x minus 3 by root 2 equal to 0. Right? Next, in this 2 we have to take common. What you can take common here? 2 root 2 x square plus 6 can be written as 3 into 2x minus 3 by root 2 equal to 0, which implies here in this 2, this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2, no? So what you can take common here? What you can take? 2 if you take common, otherwise root 2 if you take common. In this 2 you can take 2x common, no? Here what left? Root 2x plus 3. In these 2 again you take minus 1 by root 2 common. Yes, minus 1 by root 2. Here this 1 can be written as root 2 by root 2, no? This root 2, this root 2, here 1 by root 2 is common I took. Here what left more? Root 2x plus 3, which is equals to 0. So root 2x plus 3 is common, and what left? 2x minus 1 by root 2 equal to 0. So root 2x plus 3 equals to 0, or 2x minus 1 by root 2 equal to 0. Root 2x is equals to minus 3, x equals to minus 3 by root 2, or 2x equals to 1 by root 2, x equals to 1 by 2 root 2. Right? Now coming to the relation between coefficients and the zeros, what we have? What we'll get here from sum of zeros equals to minus b by a, which is equals to, from the given question we can take, so 5 root 2 by minus 5 root 2 by 4. What you will get here? Minus 5 root 2 by 2 into 2. So root 2 into root 2 times. What left? Minus 5 by, sorry, minus 5 root 2 by 2 into 2, which is equals to root 2. In this one root 2 get cancelled. So minus 5 by 2 root 2 will be left. Next, product of zeros, c by a, which is equals to what is c here, minus 3 by 4, right? Now we have to check whether the zeros also will get the same or not. What are the zeros we got? X equals to minus 3 by root 2 or 1 by 2 root 2. So, but what we got, alpha plus beta means all the two zeros, what we got, minus 5 by 2 root 2 we got. So, let us add these two, minus 3 by root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 is equals to, here 4 will be the LCM. Here, here what we will have, 2 root 2, right? Here 2 root 2 will be there. By why? Because 2 root 2 into root 2, what you will get, 2 into root 2 into root 2 is 2, so 4 you will get. So here 2 root 2 is there, so minus 3 into 2 root 2 plus, here what you can get, root 2 into again root 2, here you multiply root 2, so 1 into root 2, which is equals to this, what you will get, minus 6 root 2 plus root 2 by 4, which is equals to minus 5 root 2 by 4 is 2 into 2, which is equals to minus 5 by 2 root 2 you will get. Next, alpha beta product, what we got here, minus 3 by 4 we must get. So minus 3 by root 2 into 1 by 2 root 2, which is equals to minus 3 by 2 into root 2 is 2, which is equals to minus 3 by 4. Got the same here, no? This is sum, this is product. These values and these values are same. Understood how to do? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section. Not only in this topic, you can ask any problem from any topic which you have doubt, that specify in the comment section. I'll make it a separate video for you. Okay? Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Deep Maths.